I just got something super exciting in the mail. A SECRETLAB Titan Soft Weave charcoal blue chair. It's my brand new chair that I ordered a little over a month ago. It took a while to get here, but it's finally here. It's going to be replacing this one. Just a cheap run-of-the-mill Staples chair. I'm super excited to put it together, but before we get to that, I have to plug in my Twitch channel, twitch.tv/SniperMaster. You can see me and this SECRETLAB chair in action on there, twitch.tv/SniperMaster. Best streams you'll ever see. Alright, I can't wait to build it, so let's get right to it. "30 minutes later, the chair is complete." Ooh. Damn. SECRETLAB Titan. Ooh. The chair is heavy. It is so heavy. I haven't sat in it yet. Cross my heart. I haven't sat in it. Before I sit in it, twitch.tv/SniperMaster, you'll get to watch me sit in it a lot more. I'm gonna sit in it while I play games. I'm gonna sit in the chair while I watch movies. I'm gonna sit in the chair while I stream. I'm gonna sit in the chair while I talk to you guys. I'm gonna be sitting in the chair the entire time I'm on stream. Twitch.tv/SniperMaster. Alright. Should we try it? Oh, I sat in it. Whoa. This is a big chair. First impressions, the chair is big. I've never had a chair with a backrest adjustment before. Whoa. This is sick. I'm on the pillow. And you can do the backrest. Whoa. I've never had a chair where you could fully decline. Wow. I'm declined right now. This is fantastic. Well, it's a chair for sitting. First impressions, pretty crazy. I like the recline. That is amazing. First impressions, it's comfortable. All right. First impressions, if I could do 2 thumbs up, I would.